What's up, everybody? It's Crumb of the Crumb Investments. One is back at you again with another video. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing another weekly forecast on the market. I just did one and kind of uploaded on YouTube, but for some reason it was lagging. So let's see if it will lag this time. So, actually, let's start with the dollar on the 3 months. So I'll be going over the same pairs: EU, GU, NAS, and U30. Okay. So just starting on the 3 month here, as we can see, it has tapped into this daily or 3 month order block, and now we're looking for some bullish pressure. All right, so once we know we're bullish long term, we can kind of drop in here and see that it has hit a monthly or even a weekly high right up in here, and it had an exhaustion candle, and now this candle has opened below the daily open of that last candle. So looking at it from a higher time frame, it looks like we might get some sort of retracement as the market comes in this area, and this is what, 94240, and then trend down into this week, and then find some kind of bottom, and then continue up bullish and kill this liquidity that's resting above here. This area right here is a 12-hour order block, so I'm still looking for bearish pressure into this upcoming week. Maybe it's some kind of retracement into this daily order block until it keep going down. So I'm bearish on the dollar this overall week. So with that being said, we'll go to Forex and we'll check out GU and EU. So I've already kind of marked it up from the last video, but so since we'll be bearish this week short term for the dollar, we'll be looking for a lot of bullishness from GU and EU. So here I have a 8-hour order block lined up right here. Kind of refine it just a little bit. 8-hour order block right here. It's also a daily order block right up in here. So actually we'll just keep it as is. So we're looking for maybe some kind of stutter in this green area, because this green area is a 4-hour order block, I want to say. Yeah, 4-hour order block. Kind of stretch it so y'all can see this. See that right there. 3-hour order block. So we'll look for price to kind of maybe have some kind of stutter in that area, and possibly retrace down so we can get some buys, and we can also expect maybe a few buys in this area as well. See, this order block is here as well, so I actually want to move. I didn't even see this the first time, so it's a good thing I went back over it. So I see this order block as well, this 3-hour order block. So bullish this week, so maybe we can look for some retracements up in this green area. Drawing tool, some retracements in there, kind of come in here and get some breaks of structures to continue up. Maybe it may break some structure, we can find some buys in there. Maybe it'll come back and sweep this liquidity, come into this bigger time frame and sweep liquidity and get some buys back up so we can continue bullish. Something like that. And this area is at 1.36920 on a Wanda, and this other grade is at 1.36465. All right. So bullish on GU, and will also be bullish on EU. So I marked this up from last time. So from this weekly swing high to this weekly swing low is right at that 50% retracement. So since I don't see a solid order block here or imbalance, well, I see imbalance right up in here, but order block or institutional move, I would just mark up that 50% imbalance, because all markets usually need is a 50% retracement overall. So and I also marked up this area here because this is a nice Wyckoff accumulation all up in here. So wrong color. So as we drop down, we can see it a little bit better as we see this sweep of liquidity right up in here, and then we have this big institutional move right here. Change this to a different color. Let's go pink. And you also have this order block resting right up in here. Let's see, let me stretch this just a little bit here. Yeah, like that. So we have 4, 8, and what was that? 2-hour order block. So I like my order box a layer like that with that big institutional push down, so we can see something in this overall. And we also have this breakage structure right here, clean break structure right here. Break those highs, clean break, come back, retest, come here, maybe get some kind of stutter around, come here, break structure, hey mom, and then come back down, and then break that, and then we'll be off for the races. But that's what pretty much my overall analysis on EU. And then for NAS 100, looking for overall bullishness for NAS 100, because we also have this liquidity sweep right here, and as we have broken structure, we see this green area is a smaller order block on a smaller time frame, but essentially I'll be looking for a retest back into here to continue bullish. Before this week I was bearish on it, and technically we still are bearish because this is the next higher high before it could make that new lower low. But just going with structure, it broke structure here and failed to make a new higher high, in which I was looking for the market to keep continuing down. Well, after it broke from it hadn't broke that high yet, so it was here, and then I was expecting more bearish pressure, but it broken this high, so I'm more bullish as of right now. We'll see how it reacts at this 12-hour order block right here, but I'm thinking we'll get maybe some kind of reaction to come back in and then continue to go bullish. But as far as right now, since we have broken these highs, I'm more bullish than anything, but we'll see how it reacts to this green area. And as far as US 30, we're about to see all-time highs here. So I did mark up. So it has broken all this. Same thing, I was bearish on the structure, but as you can see, it has cleared all this liquidity up here. It has bounced into this area, and this gray area is, I want to say, an 8-hour order block. Yes, it's actually a daily order block. Yeah, so it's a daily order block in here. So I'm expecting some kind of retracement, just like I am on NAS, but it also has all this liquidity up here. So for NAS, I'll be expecting, since it's already in this area, kind of did not mean to do that. We're gonna kind of stutter around in this area, break structure, come in here. That's kind of ugly up there, but come here, break structure, and then continue up. Actually, let me just draw that over again, because that was absolutely hideous. Come in here, break structure, sweep that liquidity, break structure, come down, come to this green area, same kind of formation, break that structure, sweep liquidity, get the buys up, and then eventually sweep this liquidity up, resting up here to continue back bullish. But yes, that is essentially what I got. So bullish on pretty much everything this week. So I'll be bearish because I'll be bearish on the dollar as of right now, unless I get something that tells me otherwise on the indices and within Forex. But I hope y'all enjoyed that video. If you are interested in any other content that I'm creating, just hit the link below for ebooks, one-on-one mentorships, live trainings with me, signal groups, whatever you are interested in, just click the link below, and then it'll direct you to wherever you are interested in. So hope y'all enjoyed that video, and Creme de la Creme is out.